Welcome everyone. My name is Tristan with Leafbox Marketing, and I'm going to show you how to manage your user permissions. Let's get started. So here we have your home page of your Seller Central account. To manage user permissions, you just hit settings, or you go to the drop down of settings, then you go to user permissions. And you can add anybody's name here, an email address. If you're having someone manage your or help manage your Amazon account, you'll need to have them create a separate Amazon account that's not already established as their consumer account, what account that they would use to purchase their products with from Amazon. So they'll have to create a new account, create a new email, and then you would type in their name, and then type in their email. Then you would hit send invitation, and then that email will get an invitation where they will be provided a link that they can click on, and then be added to your account. Once they're added as a current user, you're going to go to manage permissions, and you will be able to tick these sections here, depending on what you want them to manage in your account. So if you just want them handling just your orders and fulfilling your orders every day, you'll just have to give them permissions here. And this is, they'll all be set to this left side. They'll all be ticked under none. So then you'll either hit view or view and edit, depending on what you want them to do. Okay. So after you click the customize permissions that you want this user to have, you'll be able to scroll down and then hit save. Okay. There will be a save button down here, save and submit. So you'll click that button, and then they will automatically have those permissions to be able to manage and help you with your account. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. Thanks for watching.